to add more than 5,000 friends on Facebook. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook and log into your account. Then go to your profile. Then click on three dots beside Edit Profile on the right side. Then click on View As. As you can see, you'll find Add Friend option. Then simply go back, click on three dots on top right corner of your screen or three lines on top right corner of your screen. Then click on Settings and Privacy. Go to Settings. Scroll all the way down till you find How People Find and Contact You. Then make sure who can send you friend request is everyone. After that, simply go back, click on Follower and Public Content and make sure who can follow me is public. Also, who can see your followers on timeline is public, who can see the people, pages, and list you follow, who can comment on your public post notification, public profile info is in friends and others in public. And then you can repeat the same process, go to your profile, three dot and click on View As. You'll find follow option instead of add friends. From that way, you can add people more than 5,000. And that's how you add more than 5,000 friends on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.